Hello, my friends. It's really storming right now. As in, stormy. The lightning. Oh, thunderbolts. Oh my gosh, scary. Lightning strikes and thunderbolts, plus the heavy rain. Beautiful. That's Mother Nature working. I think it's almost over. That was really strong, hard, scary. Oh, I just saw it again. The lightning strikes. Those lilac, the magenta lilac flowers. I'm right here at the window of our bedroom. That's the backyard. The forest. I think it's almost over. Mother Nature at work. On a Sunday. Oh, Saturday evening. Saturday. It's only Saturday here today. It's not even 6 o'clock yet in the evening. It's 5 something. Oh, I saw the lightning strike again. Oh, still thundering. Thundering. I love rain, but not the thunderbolts and the lightning strikes. Oh, I run away from thunder and lightning. The rain, oh, it's fine. It's a blessing. Oh, my plants are happy now, I'm sure, in the backyard and in the front yard. Especially the vegetables in the backyard, they must be smiling. As in smiling from ear to ear. Ear to ear. Why? Do plants have ears? Yeah. They can hear you. Okay, my friends. Thank you very much for watching and for listening to my craziness. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, enjoy your weekend. And may you have a blessed week ahead. Bye bye. See you again.